Ang ganda, ang ganda!
Palabok and Romeo Letra. Masarap talaga.
Hindi ko na kayo ma-reach. Oh, kasi
bibili ng kakanin, tumatawid sa pedestrian. Bibili ng pare. Kumakain ng pare.
Hindi ko na kayo ma-reach. Sobrang sikat na kayo. Nadi-reach mo.
Maraming salamat, hindi ko alam. Opo. Diba ate? Dito dapat dito diba sasakay? Pero dito ka sumakay din. Alam mo talaga yan. Kasi kala sa ito lang eh. Thank you.
Okay, so it's just may light lang siya. But that light is good for contracting your blood vessels, rejuvenating your skin.
So it's like shining bright, no?
Yes, but it's actually more sophisticated.
Okay.
So if you like shining bright, you like this. Ang skin cut, sobrang poreless, sobrang smooth. It pays to be masipag.
Yes.
Best actress.
Nagkalita ko pa sila sa elevator. Congratulations. Ang tagal ko na
hindi actress.
Thank you.
Kaya mo mag-relax.
Sa GLP lang ako.
Go. You deserve to beautify.
Yes, I deserve GLP.
Yes, you deserve it. Super.
See you later.
See, now kasi the treatments is combo na talaga. Like, for example, GLP is nicely in combination with this. So we're doing the combo treatments now because the combo treatments actually enhances the effect of the other as well.
Okay.
So the effect is even better.
Let's do it, Doc.
Yes, it's very popular because it's really for skin rejuvenation.
How often do I need to do this?
You can do this once a month.
Okay.
When you do your GLP, you can combine it.
Okay.
Maganda siya in combo. May light lang siya. But that light is good for contracting your blood vessels, rejuvenating your skin. It's really nice for photo rejuvenation. It like rejuvenates your skin from the inside, improving the texture, improving the tone, the quality of your skin.
Okay.
Very nice. Ang skin cut, sobrang poreless, sobrang smooth. It pays to be masipag.
Yes.
Ganda. Actually, you're so poreless, no?
Oh my gosh, because of GLP.
Oh, I'm from China. You're from China? Thank you. I love you. I love you. See you in the next city. Thank you. I love you. 안녕 언니. 사랑해요. 하트.
ยอดครับโทษนะครับจะดังครับจะดังนะครับจะดัง
ประกาศตรงนี้เลยค่ะไม่ต้องตามพี่กันเลย
นี่คือราจิไว้หลังนิดนึงนะครับไม่ได้ไปทำทีมไลน์นะครับขอบคุณมากครับโอเคบ๊ายบาย
태연님 저는 필리핀에서 온 팬입니다. 네, 저는 오늘 처음 하트 주시고 있을까요? 감사합니다.
언니 공항에서 우리 자기 칭찬받았잖아. 네.
Pinanood ko nung isang araw. Actually, sa hapon na nanood ko din. Ang galing mo din umiyak, ha? Excited na kayo mag-ulilit? Gusto ko yung ulilit ka din.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour.
Love their country pie. That's best strawberry.